Score natin, 80-75. BNHS still on top of the standings. Still 5-0, 4-0. 4-0. What a ball game against FMV. Ating best player, Kian Tiksay. A near triple-double, 27 points, 8 rebounds, and 7 assists. Congratulations. Shooting 57% from the field. Bit-bit na bit-bit ni Kian Tiksay itong BNHS. Binigay sa inyo ng FMB yung matinding laban. Palagay ko ito yung pinaka-challenge niya sa buong laro nyo sa season natin. So far, ha? So far. But FMB, until the last breath, 3 na lang sila, tinuloy pa. Pero talaga, nagkulang. Too big to challenge itong BNHS led by Kian Tiksay. Ang masasabi mo, Sam? A very high-intense performance ng inyong team ngayon.
Sobra. Nahirapan kami kay Camacho. Solid. Talagang nung practice namin nung last week, nung Sabado, nung na-cancel, talagang pinagandaan namin yung laro na to, sabi namin. Matalo manalo, bibigay lang namin yung best namin. Yun lang.
Ayan, pinakita nila yun. Tama. Kahit sino makaharap ni Camacho, a big challenge. So front runner natin dito sa 1600 division. Still, more importantly, is yung team wins. Binigay nitong BNHS. So, sila pa rin yung hari ng 1600. Pero, still early to say. We'll see sa mga susunod. Just keep playing, just keep going. Very intense yung ating laro. Maraming na-anspo, maraming lumabas sa laro natin. So, we'll see you again on the other, sa mga next games. Any shoutout, Kian Tiksay?
Shoutout sa mga kasama ko. Shoutout sa mga kasama ko. Lalo kay Sir Clayton. Sir, thank you. Shoutout. Shoutout sa mama ko, papa ko na nasa ibang bansa pa. Ingat ka lagi. Love you. Shoutout din sa Medianis Dison. Thank you.
Ayun. Alright, so that's our best player of the game, Kian Tiksay. Congratulations once again. BNHS still on top of our standings. Next game natin, 18 under. The league leading Esticas versus ADM Anak Dalan Natwa. Let's see you.